Dok, nakabili po ako ng Bone Fix buy one take one. Oh, if you have seen my video on Bone Fix, I don't think it fixes bone. Tapos, you have to understand, iba po yung joint, iba po yung bones, iba po yung osteoarthritis sa osteoporosis. So, bones and joints are very near each other, pero hindi sila the same. Yung bone fix does not actually fix bone, does not actually fix the joint. So, ingat po kayo sa mga sinasabi ng mga nagbebenta ng supplements po ng Betty. So, legit po ba kaya yung binili ko? I really doubt na meron kayong nabili na legit po. Kasi Bone Fix is, iba kasi yung marketing nila. Fake doctors yung ginagamit nila. Kaya pag fake doctors yung ginagamit nila, really be careful po. Pag fake yung doctor na ginagamit nila sa interview, baka fake yung gamot. Hope that helps you, Ma'am Betty. Doc, ako ay from Negros. Good morning, Doc. Masakit ang tuhod ko po, Doc. Dili piko o ang luko-luko sakit. Unsa siya. Salamat and God bless. So, Ma'am Betty from Negros, we did discuss today if sakit ang imong tuhod, labi na sa back of the knee or lukon-lukon. It can be yung tinatawag na meniscus, which is yung white dito. Maybe this is clear kasi yung meniscus dito ay color blue. And because masakit pag tinutupi, more likely na meniscus po yan. And yung meniscus po, we do get an MRI para makita po gaano kalala yung tear or yung damage sa meniscus. We treat this usually, pwede po yung gamot muna, yung iba nagtatry ng injections, pero they are not treating the cause of the pain. Pag nakita natin yung meniscus tear, we usually do something called arthroscopy or scope. Yung maliit na camera na pupunta sa loob ng tuhod and we clean or we repair the meniscus po. So I hope that helps, Ma'am Marites and from Negros po. Okay. We have Ma'am Mary Ann. Ma'am Mary Ann, good morning po and thank you for your question. Sabi ni Mary Ann, Doc, salamat, I'm interested na magpa-check up sa aking tuhod. 2 months gikan karon mga nagsakit akong tuhod, usahay mawala, usahay na unsa kahani. Hope na makaanha ko sa clinic, but magtigom sa ako, Doc. Okay, so for patients like Ma'am Mary Ann, meron tayong days na merong free clinic para sa tuhod. Last January, we had a free clinic. Last December, we also had a free clinic. If patients don't have money, meron talagang paraan. But also, if you do think that you're wasting money on mga supplements like Bone Fix, mas advice ko po is instead of buying the supplements, you can come to the clinic and use your money on a doctor's fee po. Para lang malaman natin, instead of buying yung gamot na hindi pala gumana, kailangan kasi natin malaman first kung ano yung problem niyo po before natin i-treat. So, kay Ma'am Mary Ann, if 2 months na po nagsakit yung tuhod niyo po, tapos sometimes meron, sometimes wala, it can be very well caused by tendons or muscles or even imbalance tightness ng knee po. Really good to get an opinion with any specialist para po malaman natin before tayo uminom ng gamot. Kasi again, you may be wasting your money sa mga iba't ibang gamot po.